Hi, so I have decided that I'm going to paint my kitchen cabinets. I live in a very small house, about 750 square feet. My living room is attached to my kitchen, so the cabinets become a focal point for the house, and I don't like it. This house was built in the mid-80s, and it shows. So if you look at these cabinets, they are basically junk. They are oak faced cabinets, but the sides are MDF or press board. So it really makes them look junky. They used to have a varnish on them, but a couple years I went ahead and I stripped that off because it was peeling before the handles were put on. It was getting worn away from too much use. So I already have the varnish off of most of them. My bathroom vanity has the same cabinet. That still has a varnish on it, but I will be stripping that off as well. I'm going to be taking off the hinges on the cabinets because they are brass, it looks like a brass color, or they're just really dirty. I'm going to soak those in vinegar and water, scrub them with some Dawn, and then spray paint them black because I do like the handles and I am going to keep the handles. They do match. So I have opted to use Rustoleum's Cabinet Transformations Kit. It's a complete kit. It has in it the degreaser deglosser from Crud Cutter. It has the base coat and it has the top coat. You can get it in 3 different tones. There's a light. I chose the mid-tone because I liked the Tate green color. So that's what color I'm going to do my cabinets. And then there's also a dark tone with other options for colors that you can use on the cabinets. I think that no matter what happens, it's going to look better than it does now because I have a lot of damage to these cabinets. One, because of the MDF on the ends of everything. Looks terrible. And then this cabinet here has all of these scratches in here. It looks terrible. I don't know what happened. There's a demon that lived here or what, but they were not very well taken care of, and anything to cover that up I think will look better than it does right now. Also, the tops of the cabinets have no trim. They're just an edge. So I did buy a little trim piece and a miter box, and we're going to see how that goes. And I am going to put a little bit of trim around the top just to finish it off because it looks unfinished. It looks terrible. I'm hoping that this project turns out really well and that my kitchen is brought up to date and looks better, and I'm kind of excited about it. I'm hoping that it'll really make this room pop again. So if you're seeing this video, more than likely it went well, because otherwise I'm just going to delete it. And if it doesn't go well, the kit only cost me about $60. So I can always buy another kit and try it again, or try it in a different color, or see what happens. It can't be worse than what it is. So I'm going to get started taking off these doors, taking off the hinges, getting those cleaned, and getting started on this exciting project. It took a couple hours, but I got all of the doors off. Down below too. And next step is hardware. Okay, so this is the cabinet that I really wanted to film because it looks so bad with all the scratches and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and film this while I tape it This guy is getting in my way though, and he needs to back off. Go outside, dude. And let's see. Let's start this. Probably won't be able to do the whole thing. Let's get rid of those scratches. I live in a really, really arid part of Colorado, and so this is drying super fast. You need to back off unless you've got a paintbrush. Entirely in my space. No, I love you too, but move on. Oh, I just hit the dishwasher. So I'm doing this with the brush first, and then I'm going to go back over everything with the roller. See, there's the cabinets. I absolutely love the way this is turning out. So let's keep going. This is like ASMR videos. Bye, scratches. I hate you. I don't care if I never see you again. Look at that. That looks good. Right. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. And that's only the first coat. So I've got this tiny little quart for all my cabinets. And I was afraid it wasn't going to be enough, but I really do think it will be. Even though I have to do all the doors yet. Get my countertop. Dishwasher and countertop. Where are you, dog? What are you doing? No, get out of the paint. Sorry. Oh, yes. I spent a lot of time cleaning these, scraping them, sanding them. They're not perfect. Like I said, these are junky cabinets. And I knew that they weren't going to be perfect. But they are a lot better now than they were already. And I've only been doing this for about an hour. Alright, this, I've been waiting to do this. I hate this. Oh my gosh, this is satisfying for me. Goodbye. Nasty looking cabinet. I probably should have covered that hole. Hey, idea. Please put comments on what you think I should do with this corner area. Like hooks for towels or utensils or what. I'll decorate it. I can paint a little bit, like mountains, but I'm going to do that in the bathroom. And I will show you that when it's done too. That might take me a couple weeks. Oh my God, to have that. Get your nose out of that paint, dog. Go. He keeps bumping into me on purpose. Look at that. Look at that. Never again. Never again. Oh my God. There's the end of them. Get a good blob of paint on my brush. Here we go. Ready? Bye. Bye, scratches. Bye. Look at that. Last little bit. I'm going to finish up the bottom of these cabinets. I'm going to go do the bathroom one, and then I'm going to start on the doors. Then I'm going to come back and roll everything again. I'll be back. Painting doors. It said to start with the back of the door. I'm not very good at filming this, sorry, it's hard to do it with one hand. Got the door balancing on the weight so that I can get to the edges. Hey, have I showed you my kitchen? Oh, you know what? It's drying beautifully. I absolutely love it. Next project is going to be the countertop. Yeah, we'll see about that. That sounds like a lot of work. All right. And this is the finished product. Ignore some of my clutter here, but I absolutely love it. Even the MDF or pressboard ends came out well. It looks professional. I mean, when I get close, it looks white, but it's not. It's green. I just, look at that corner. That corner was terrible. It really dried perfectly. It was a lot of work, don't get me wrong. By myself, it was a lot of work, but it was worth it. I absolutely love it. I highly recommend it. I'm not getting paid for this video. But if you need to redo your cabinets and you don't want to spend a ton of money, I recommend Rustoleum's Transformation Cabinet Kit. It turned out really, really well.